Well, we are live with ATS Live Ask Us Anything. My name is Joe Gehring. I'm the Vice President of Recruiting here at Anderson Trucking. And today our guests are Jerrod,
Yes, sir.
Recently new hired company flatbed specialized driver,
Yes, sir.
and his recruiter, Paul.
Yep.
So Paul was actually a driver for us at our flatbed specialized company position as well.
Yep.
And you've been working with us now how long, Paul?
A little over a year and a half now.
Okay, good deal. So, folks, today, like I said, I'm absolutely going through and can't wait to see some of the questions and comments. But today, probably the biggest thing that, go ahead, sir. Biggest thing we're going to focus on today is we try to keep our topic discussions very casual. As you know, we call this Ask Us Anything because we want to be able to answer questions that you guys have got. Having it, so frankly, we just met outside in the parking lot, what, 10 minutes ago? 15 minutes ago?
Yeah.
And just like last week, if I've got a driver that's willing to join us to help back us up on what we got to say, it just, frankly speaking, allows you to be able to answer some questions directly as well. So,
Yes, sir.
so today I'd like to kind of start out with, first off, welcome to Anderson Trucking Service, Jerrod.
Thank you, man. Thank
Initial
you.
experience and first scale of 1 to 10, how's it been?
I would say